Video title: Learn Python Basics. Idle and User Input, Section 1.6 to 1.7, LogicLyft, Video Script. Welcome back to LogicLyft, your destination to learn Python the easy way. In today's video, we're covering two very beginner-friendly but important topics from Chapter 1, Section 1.6, Idle Python GUI, and Section 1.7, User Input. Section 1.6, Idle Python GUI. So, what is IDLE? IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It's a simple software that comes with Python and is used to write, run, and test your Python code, kind of like a notebook for programmers. Think of it as a lightweight IDE with some great features, multi-window editor with syntax highlighting, auto-completion and smart indentation, Python shell for testing code line by line, built-in debugger. If you're on Windows, IDLE comes installed automatically with Python. Just search for IDLE in your Start menu. Quick demo print. Hello world. Hello world. To run a saved Python file in IDLE. 1. Create a .py file, like hello.py. 2. Open it in IDLE. 3. Press F5 to run it. Tip: if you're getting errors like Python is not recognized, it means Python is not added to your system path. Section 1.7, User Input. In Python 3, we use the input function. It lets the user type something, and then we can use that value in our code. Example 1. Name equals input. What is your name? Print. Hello? Name. Example 2. With numbers, x equals input. Enter a number. Print x/2. Hashtag this will cause an error. To fix it, x equals input. Enter a number. Print float x/2. Best practice: try number equals float input. Enter a number. Print half of your number is number/2, except value error. Print. Oops! That's not a valid number. Summary: today we learned what IDLE is and how to run Python code with it, how to use the input function, why type conversion is important, how to handle errors using try except. Like this video and subscribe to LogicLyft for more simple and clear programming lessons. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for the next tutorial on Python modules and functions. LogicLyft. Learning logic, lifting minds.